But not that it's a big deal, but let's face it, if I didn't do very good body work on it and I rubbed the DA over it, it would be that. Where I did not, where I made everything come to the highest point and didn't let it, hit the metal, everything looks fantastic, in my opinion. You're gonna take off that back window? Jolene taped up the back window. She's gonna unmask the back window, aren't you, baby?
With your help.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to stay over there and haul it? I have not got the windows made for this car, so that's something I probably would like to have done, had the windows all put in it before I painted it. And the reason being is, like, when you paint a car and then you go to put the windows in, there's always that factor where you can end up doing something to the car, and I just generally like having the windows in and do a nice job, tape them off is what I like doing, but not interested in putting tape on the paint right now, but I will if I have to. She peel up that way.
I'm trying to get it on.
Yeah, peel up that way. Just go slow.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna let you continue. Come on over there and continue. Did a good job on that. Did a good job masking up too. No paint on that whatsoever, is there?
No.
Awesome. I can undo the tailpipes. Just the dirt come off that. It's actually amazing that we got it as clean as we did. And also, I hope, just doing this would give you confidence that you can do it too. I mean, let's face it, I'd take this to a car show anywhere. It wouldn't bother me a bit. The thing looks fantastic. Looks good. Jolene did an amazing job taping around the rubber. It looks good. It's fantastic.